In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the best Turo promo codes effectively. If you're looking to save on your next car rental with Turo, this step-by-step guide will help you snag some great discounts. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily make the most of available promo codes. First, open your Chrome browser. Once you have it up and running, head over to your preferred search engine and type in Best Turo Promo Codes. The purpose of this search is to gather a list of websites that offer the latest deals and promo codes for Turo. As you hit enter, you'll notice a variety of search results that pop up, which might include several coupon and deal sites. Your goal here is to find trustworthy sources that regularly update their promo codes and have positive user feedback. Among these options, prominent sites like Honey, Retail Me Not, or of course Turo's official promotions page are great places to start. These platforms are known for their extensive collection of promo codes and deals. Clicking through to these sites, you'll want to navigate to their sections dedicated to Turo deals. They usually make these easy to find either on their homepage or through a simple search feature on their platform. Now that you're on these deal sites, the next step is crucial, checking the validity of the promo codes. When you find a promo code that looks appealing, take a moment to read any accompanying user reviews or comments. These reviews can provide valuable insights into whether the code is still active and working. Moreover, checking the date of the latest review or comment can further confirm that the code's validity hasn't expired. Many coupon sites include a timestamp of when the code was last verified, which is incredibly helpful in ensuring your time isn't wasted on expired offers. Once you've found a reliable promo code, it's time to proceed to the next step. Highlight the code, right-click, and select Copy. This will avoid any errors that might come from typing it out manually, ensuring you have it ready to use without any hassle. Finally, head over to Turo.com. When you've selected the vehicle you want to rent and are ready to check out, you'll find an option to enter a promo code during the checkout process. Paste your copied promo code into the designated field. Upon applying the code, you should see your savings reflected before you finalize the booking. It's that simple. By following these steps, you'll efficiently and easily find the best Turo promo codes available, helping you save money on your rentals. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to locate and use promo codes effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your online shopping experience even more rewarding.